present tense. 1. Present simple, used for habits, routines, and general truths. Example, I go to school every day. 2. Present continuous, used for actions happening now or around the present time. Example, I am studying for my exam. 3. Present perfect, used for actions that started in the past and continue up to the present. Example, I have studied English for 3 years. 4. Present perfect continuous, used for actions that started in the past and continue up to the present, emphasizing the duration. Example, I have been studying English for 3 years. Past tense. 1. Past simple, used for completed actions in the past. Example, I went to school yesterday. 2. Past continuous, used for actions that were happening at a specific time in the past. Example, I was studying at 8 p.m. last night. 3. Past perfect, used for actions that happened before another action in the past. Example, I had eaten dinner before I went to the movie. 4. Past perfect continuous, used for actions that started before another action in the past and continued up to that point. Example, I had been studying for 3 hours before I took a break. Future tense. 1. Future simple, used for actions that will happen in the future. Example, I will go to school tomorrow. 2. Future continuous, used for actions that will be happening at a specific time in the future. Example, I will be studying at 8 p.m. tomorrow night. 3. Future perfect, used for actions that will be completed at a specific point in the future. Example, I will have graduated by next year. 4. Future perfect continuous, used for actions that will start before a specific point in the future and continue up to that point. Example, I will have been studying for 4 years by next year.